Good morning, everyone. How are your life today? Welcome to my presentation. First of all, let me thank you all for giving me opportunity to present the material this morning. Before, let me start by saying just a few words about my own background. I am Faola student of Management Study Program, Class 2 Tidar University in Magelang. Okay, I'm here today to present about business location selection. My talk is particularly relevant to those of you who are entrepreneurs and who want to open a business in determining the location of your business. Today, I'd like to give you an overview of how to choose a strategic business location. I've divided my presentation into three main parts, namely, first, business location description. The second, method of determining the location of the business, and then determine the location of the business with one of the methods. Well, let's just go straight into the first discussion about business location. What is business location? According to Giptono, business location is the place where the business operates or business carries out activities to produce goods and services that are concurrent with the economy. The selection and determination of the location is the science of investigating the spatial order of an economic activity. The selection of a strategy in an appropriate business location will determine the success of a business in the future. Determining the location has several objectives according to the type of business to be carried out. Namely, first, for the industry to minimize choose the right location closer to the location of the material stroke warehouse with the production location and safe transportation choose. For retail and service professionals to maximize revenue, the selection of retail location and service professionals that are easily accessible to consumers allow for like sales to occur, thereby increasing to companies' revenue. 3. Divide warehouse location to maximize delivery speed and minimum cost. The distance between the warehouse and the right factory location will speed up delivery of goods while minimizing costs. In choosing a business location, we must also pay attention to the factors that influence it. Namely, first, access. For example, the location that is fast or easy to reach by public transportation. 2. Visibility. Namely, a location or place that can be seen clearly from a normal viewing distance. 3. Source of raw material. Namely, the place of factory close to the raw material area. 4. Traffic. Involves two main considerations, namely, the number of people passing by can provide a great opportunity for buying, namely, buying decisions that often occur spontaneously without planning and are without going through special efforts. 2. Traffic congestion and congestion can also be obstacles. 5. Spacious, comfortable, and safe parking space, both for two-wheeled and four-wheeled vehicles. 6. Expansion, namely, the availability of a large enough space if there is an expansion in the future. 7. Environment, namely the surrounding area that support the product offered. For example, restaurants are adjacent to boarding house, dormitories, campus student, school, office. 8. Composition, namely the location of competitors. For example, in determining the location of a restaurant, it is necessary to consider whether there are other restaurants in the same street or area. 9. Government regulation. For example, provisions prohibiting restaurants from being located too close to residential areas or places of worship. Besides that, choosing a business location is one of the most important parts in opening a business. Namely, 1. The main priority of technical aspect in the business is business location. 2. Error in determining business location results in an increase in cost issue. 3. Determining the location of the business according to the type of business run. Then, there are several locations that need to be considered if we are going to open the business. First, office location. Second, warehouse location. Third, factory location. And then, branch office location. Okay, next, we will discuss the location research method. 1. Method result appraisal, namely, the location with the highest value is considered the best to be selected. The factor, market, transportation, raw material, labor. 2. Cost corporation method, namely, determine the size of the cost of alternative location choices compared. The location with smallest total cost is considered the best. The factor, raw material costs, operating costs, and other costs. 3. Economic analysis method, namely, consider quantitative and qualitative analysis. The factor, cost, community attitude, culture, and economic impact. Okay, here I will give an example in choosing a business location with the result appraisal method. For example, I am going to open a culinary business and there are two locations to consider. The first location is closer to the market and the second location is close to campus. Besides on the result appraisal method, there are several factors that must be analyzed. Okay, the following is a location analysis using the result appraisal method to determine the most appropriate location with information from various sources. There are several things that must be considered, namely 1. Raw material recruitment, 2. Labor recruitment, 3. Market absorption needs, and 4. Transportation needs and fluency. Next, here also is vacant location value, which is used as a percentage between the two locations. Then there is value of each of the location near the campus and near the market. Based on the table, there is some information that can be taken. First, the need raw material near the campus is higher than the location near the market with a value 31. 2. Labor recruitment and market absorption needs. Location near the campus has a higher than location near the market. 3. Transportation needs and fluency. The location near the campus has a lower value than the location near the market. Based on the result of this analysis, I will choose to open a business close to campus. Even though the location near the market has a higher need for smooth transportation compared to the location near campus, because overall the location near the campus is superior to the location near the market with a total value 127. In conclusion, choosing a business location must be done carefully and many considerations in order to get the best location. Okay, enough of my presentation this morning. If you have any question, please contact me. Thank you for your attention. Good morning everyone, and see you again.